to what I just wanted. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's an amazing one. I forgot about that one. That's great. Woo! Yeah! Come on, bro. Boss battle! Damn right, man. Damn right. Face plant the floor. Do it. Woo! Party crackers! No explosions! All the explosions! It's crazy. Wait, so he can't roll over my bombs, but he can roll over his own bombs. Okay. Fair enough. There's all this ammo. Let's see. Nuke it. Nuke it! Where else can we do? We can use that, but I don't want to use that shit. Ah! This boss battle is too easy! Boom! Boom! Ow, got squashed. Never mind. Bad times, man. Bad times. Oh! Nicandrios, where are you when I need you, man? Shit! These fucking guys, though. These fucking guys. These fucking guys, man. These fucking guys. I'm dead. I'm dead because these guys. Those guys. Oh, wait! There was a vendor! Holy shit! Didn't know that. That makes a huge difference. In, like, near everything. Yes. Yes to all of your bullshit. Yes. I will say yes. And go. Woo! Do it. Oh god. Okay. Drama. Drama. Drama salama. And yes. Yep. Get him. And that's why it's a highlight, because if you don't highlight it, then it's gonna get all fucked up. Yeah, it happens, bruh. How did it not target? I don't know. No! Mine! Fuck you! Fuck you, bruh. Lose all your health, man. Shit! Nope! Mine! Fuck you! Flew away, bruh. What now? Shit. Oh god! So close. So very, very close. So very, very close. Yeah, you do like that, don't you? Well, I'm dead now, though. See? Happens, bruh. Happens. God damn it! Nukes! I don't. Nope. No! No! God damn it! Shit! Shit, some of them follow me. That isn't good! Oh god. Ow, my butt. And over there. Come on, just let me face the floor. That's it. That's it. That's a good little person, isn't it? Okay. Quick select. Let's put something useful there instead of like something crappy. Like that. Preferably. Oh, what have I done? I don't know. Oh, the mini nukes. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of actually a good idea. Put that. No, this. That, maybe. Yeah. And for that, we could just change that for that. And that's actually pretty good. Why is that being removed? I don't know. I like the nukes, but I also like the multi-star. It's actually pretty good, you know. Hover bomb was pretty alright. Hover bomb's pretty OP. That'll do. That will do, donkey. Woo! Right, now let's get this started. Get wrecked, mate. Trying to hit him. Yeah, the rage. Oh god. Yeah. And probably this. Yep. Ninja Proof, welcome back, dude. I'm pretty alright, man. I'm not too bad. Alright, some of that shit. Get wrecked! Shit! Could've killed myself. Oh god. Wait, so if he rolls over it, then he... No, never mind. That's different. Okay. Okay. Nice. Weapons, where else? I don't particularly like that one. What's that one? That's the sniper rifle thing. Nope, nope. Some live one. Fire it, man! Hurry! He's dead. Cool. Done! Get right! No!
You did it!
Fucking yeah, I did! I did it! Me!
It's
It's all me, man.
This is the
It's all me.
real Mr. Fizzwidget. Quark had him tied up in a supply closet all this time.
Gentlemen, you have my most profound gratitude.
Supply
It's nothing,
closet.
sir. I'm just sorry we couldn't get the Helixomorph back. Right. What do you suppose is wrong with it?
Nice.
I don't know. It could take months of research and...
The battery is in backwards.
Oops.
Imbecilic to the very last. Down, boy.
I just have to amplify the device with Megacorp's TV transponders, and that should cure the other protopets.
Hey, okay, welcome back, man.
Clank? Uh-oh. It's okay. I can fix her. I promise.
That was the end. Mutation complete. Nice. Alright. Dang it, buffer. Completed, man. We completed it. Finally, it's done. It works again. There you go. So this game is great and all, but I wish I would have played a different game before I played it. Just cause it's, you know, it can be very samey if you play the same game genre like continuously. But yeah. Time for the FUD. No, no, fuck that. No. The FUD will happen at like after 2 other games, I think. I'm gonna play. Where is it? Is it even here? Is it like on my side roll?
So, what do you like to do for fun? Oh, my goodness.
So, whatever happened to Quark?
I heard he was working at Megacorp.
So, you fellas new here? You boys should sign up for the new Probomatic. That little baby cleans you something fierce. I just got done testing the full body waxinator. I am personally sporting a smooth chassis, and there are no tags on my luggage. All right then. Catch you later.
Subject 23A, please report immediately for crotchetizer testing.
Well, duty calls. All right, fellas, nice and tight now. So you tested this, right? Oh, wait, that's why I'm here. Oh, one more thing.
Okay. Congratulations, you have the choice to go back in time before you defeated Quark, or play a new game in challenge mode. I didn't even defeat Quark. Where I don't understand. Challenge mode is a good way to earn tons of bolts by playing a tougher version of the game. You get to see all the weapons, and you can upgrade them further by purchasing mega upgrades at the vendor. Check out the specials menu for new features. I've already done that before. So no. But I'm gonna say yes, just so if I ever go back to it. Challenge mode. Do it, cause why not? Sure, man. Wait. What the? Yes. 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 Yes, guys, you did. You came back at like the very end. I am done this game, and
Welcome back to Behind the Hero. Tonight's heroes are the duo who recently restored peace
God
and
damn it.
order to our galaxy.
Shut up. Shut up. Yes, we know. Anyway, I'm just doing nothing now. But I will be playing this game, Predator Concrete Jungle. Now this is a game. This is a fucking hidden gem. Okay. This game is amazing. If
I'm counting on you.
Affirmative.
shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. No one's talking to you. Okay. Shut your face. Shut your face. Predator Concrete Jungle is like, yeah. It is by far the best Predator game there is. And not only that, it's basically Assassin's Creed, but you're a Predator, and you get like trophies, and you rip out people's skulls, and so on. It is amazing. That's a huge save file, 2 MB, yep. Well, that's all of, Ratchet and Clank 1 as well. And then it's gonna be Ratchet and Clank 3. But yeah. So I'm gonna be playing this next. And that's gonna be tomorrow, because I want to get into a habit where if I complete a game, then I should end my stream. Unless it's like 2 hours after I stream, then it's like different, because it's like loads of hours to go. But right now, guys, I'm gonna be getting off until tomorrow. Let's see if we should just let me check out something before you guys leave. Lady! More ladies! All the ladies! Channel. Move out of the way. Just move that. Okay. Didn't want to see that. Want to see this, to be honest with you. Okay. Is there anyone I know online right now? Bioshock. That sounds good. City Skylines. The Bioshock sounds good though. Probably gonna go with the Bioshock, man. Alright, we're gonna rate the game pit. He's a alright guy, he's a cool guy. I haven't known him too well, but from what I do know of him, he's a cool guy. Okay, what am I doing? What's going on? Where are the things? Right, here are the things, alright? I cast a... What am I doing? I'm just being an idiot. Hang on, guys. Let the idiot do his monkey things. Go raid this guy. Raid him! Say Kai raid. And I'll be in there in a moment. Raid his face! Don't spam it, just say like, There you go, that's it. I'm putting emote. Very airy game. Dishonored? I will be playing that at some point. I've already played it before, but I'll play it again. Dishonored's alright. It's pretty good. But right now I just want to stick to console games because I've got my console all set up for it and stuff like that. So right now I just want to play exclusively console for a while. Apart from when I'm doing PC gaming, which is going to be like only for maybe the Elder Scrolls or yeah, so on. Anyway, guys, go raid him, please. I would really appreciate it, and I'm gonna host him as well. So, guys, I'll see you again. Take care. Thanks for watching, and I love your faces. Good night. Take care.